Hey, today is April 30th. It's the last day of the month. I took one trade today. It was on Tesla. It was another winning trade. I just want to go over what I saw and why I took it. Okay, so as we speak, Tesla is still going, but um, I'm going to talk about exactly what I saw on Tesla for some people who might have missed it and how you can play such things in the future. Uh, so if I pull up ES and NQ, so right off of the bat, you can see that Tesla has relative strength. Uh, from 9:30 to 10:05, we don't have a single red candle. This is a straight impulse move up. We move from 666 to 689 with no real period of consolidation, except for maybe this basing candle at 940. But this was a nice impulse move up, while NQ and ES did move up, but they did have red candles in the process. So this is enough to tell me that Tesla has relative strength. Um, I didn't take this 5 minute rally based rally. One, because I was taking a test, and two, I wouldn't have taken this just because it's too close to the market, too close to the open, too early to determine if we have relative strength or not. But uh, I entered Tesla right here. Took one off right here. I played two contracts. They were cheap. They were same day. Um, and then I took my last one as we started. I think I took my last one on this candle, and I know it's a little bit contradictory. I always say there's a hold unless um you need to hold to your target unless wait, what am I saying? Oh, sorry about that. I'm saying that you need to hold till your target, but in this case I was playing Tesla and I was playing same day expiration, right? So Tesla and same day expiration means that if you play Tesla, you know the personality of the stock and you know that a small pullback on Tesla will kill your premiums. So I kind of went into this as a scalp, so I was fine not holding till my final target of here because regardless, it was a very, very good trade, both in terms of profit and execution. But now that I talked about entries and exits, let me talk about confirmations and exactly what I saw. So as I said before, Tesla had a nice move up 9:30 to 10:05 straight impulse. From 10:05 to around 10:20ish, Tesla is consolidating. Um, it's consolidating, but look at the volume. This volume is nice. It's consistent volume. It is a little bit less than the impulse volume, but nonetheless, the volume didn't die off immediately. Buyers are still present here. And what I really, really liked about Tesla is that, yes, we did have this upper wick on nice volume, but while sellers had the opportunity to bring us lower, buyers bought us up right back. So the first thing I saw on Tesla was us breaking high day with no upper wick. So to me, I treated this 690. 690 has been a key level for the past couple of days. It's a psychological number. It's a whole number. So that was my first confirmation, a break of 690. My second confirmation was clear relative strength. You can see that we had a nice impulse move up. ES is choppy, NQ is moving up choppy. So I don't want to repeat myself too much. You can clearly tell that this is relative strength. So that's two confirmations. My third confirmation was nice volume. You can see that volume was consistent throughout the entire move. Not once did volume significantly die down. Buyers were always present. So that's three confirmations. My fourth confirmation was this rally at 1020, this basing candle at 1025, and this rally candle at 10:30. So rally base rally. Yes, I know this basing candle is green, but this to me is a doji candle with the lower wick. And doji candles with lower wicks on strong impulse moves up can tend to be treated as basing candles. So this was my fourth confirmation, a rally base because doji lower wick, and rally. That's why I entered at 10:30 above this basing candle high, to complete the rally base rally. So that itself is four confirmations. My fifth confirmation was this 1 hour used supply zone acting as a target. So that's five confirmations. And you can see how well support and resistance with zones work. We break the 690 level, we pull back at 695, we tag 1 hour supply, and we start moving lower. Now now NQ is moving lower. Now ES is also moving lower. So that's why support and resistance with supply and demand is such a powerful strategy. Yep, so I think that's it. Those were my five main confirmations for the trade. Uh, this is at 10. Okay, one more thing I want to cover is I wasn't too worried. I knew we had 30-minute supply here, but this is just a quick lesson. When you see these huge lower wicks, when we reject supply, it just means that the market is strong and supply will act as a pullback for a move higher. So when this 1020 candle broke 30-minute supply for NQ, I entered at 10:30, by the way. I really wasn't worried at supply at all. This 45-minute supply zone was very small as well, and we were setting up for a rally based rally inside of it. So that's why supply doesn't scare me too much on a very strong day like today. So yeah, that's my entire recap. I didn't prepare this at all. I just made this on the fly. I made this like 20 minutes after I took the trade, just because I have to head out, do some shopping. But I hope you guys don't force anything and just take it easy. May is a new month, so we'll go from there.